Welcome back to another episode of the eIMMIGRATIONAIR Masterclass. My name is Ray, and today I will be showing you how to add biographic info to your client's profile.
That sounds good, Ray. Okay, I'm ready whenever you are.
After you search for and found your client's profile, click on the biographic info to your right, and you will be taken to this page.
Okay, I see the page now, but I don't understand it. What does all this mean?
This is where you enter the biographic info about your client, such as their ethnicity, race, height, weight, eye color, and hair color. This will automatically auto-populate to the USCIS forms that you'll prepare for your client later on, so you won't have to constantly retype this info over and over onto the forms.
I see. So, do I click on Save Changes when I'm done?
Correct. Click on Save Changes when you are done entering the info, and you're good to go.
That was easy. Thanks, Ray.
You're welcome, Shake. In the next episode, we will show you how to add current addresses to your client's profile and more. For more fun videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your colleagues and friends. For sales-related questions, please call us at 1-800-617-4202 or email us at sales@cerenade.com. For support-related questions, you may email us at ecmssupport@cerenade.com. Thank you for choosing Cerenade. We appreciate your business.